Friends, today I heard some amazing tips to grow YouTube subscribers, and I was really impressed. I want to share them with you all. First, choose your niche clearly. Focus on one topic only, so viewers know what value you will give them. Upload videos regularly, at least 2 to 3 videos every week. Consistency is the key to build trust. Make attractive thumbnails and titles. Use bright colors, bold text, and create curiosity in titles. This attracts viewers to click. Do proper SEO. Use the right keywords in your title, description, and tags. Also, add hashtags to improve ranking. Always tell viewers to like and subscribe. For example, say, if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and support my channel. Reply to all comments quickly. It shows you care about your audience and builds engagement. Keep your videos short and valuable. Especially when your channel is new, make videos of 3 to 7 minutes to keep viewers engaged till the end. Share your videos outside YouTube. Post them in WhatsApp groups, Telegram, Facebook groups, and Instagram Reels related to your topic. Check YouTube analytics regularly. See which videos bring more subscribers and make similar videos for faster growth. Collaborate with other small YouTubers. This helps you reach their audience and grow together. Bonus tip: make videos on trending topics in your niche to reach more people quickly. I really liked these tips and thought to share them with you all. If you follow these steps, definitely your subscribers will start increasing.